First of all, myself Boda Ravi, working as a master trainer at Govt ITI Khammam. In our ATC, this electric vehicle is not in working condition. We are going to troubleshoot this vehicle with this diagnostic kit. I will show you this is working or not. So now I am ignition going to on. So we have problem, that's why vehicle will not moving. So I need to troubleshoot this vehicle. For troubleshooting purpose, we have electric vehicle diagnostic kit. Need to connect this electric vehicle diagnostic kit our vehicle for troubleshooting the vehicle. Clearly observe here how to connect this diagnostic kit with vehicle diagnostic interface. Keep this like this and clamp like this. Okay, then after we are getting some indications here, red indication and green indication and blue indication. After diagnostic kit on, in the sense it will be on state. So blinking blue light, in the sense we are checking what is the problem. Coming to some individual parts, I am going to explain here. Ignition switch indicating green, so ignition will be fine. Accelerator and brake, coming to this two, when we are going to apply the accelerator, kit indicating green here. Brake also, when we are going to apply brake, we are in green light here. Then after, controller is fine condition, DC-DC converter also in fine condition. Battery also getting 48 volt, battery is fine, controller is fine, DC-DC converter is fine, ignition switch is fine. So we need to check here accelerator and brake. How we can check? First we need to apply the accelerator, but we are not getting green light here. So we have problem with throttle, I think. So we need to check brake also. So I am going to applying the brake here. I am going to applying brake. When we are going to apply the brake, indication will be green. When we are going to release the brake, red indication will be. So same like that, throttle also same like that, but I am applying here, but we are not getting green light there. So we have a problem with throttle. So I need to remove this throttle. What is the problem in throttle? Once we need to check forward and reverse also. Now vehicle is in, I am keeping this vehicle into reverse direction. So reverse will be blinking. Observe clearly. So forward and reverse will be working. So we have a problem in throttle. So I will remove this throttle and I will show everything in this throttle what we have. I will show you. First we need to remove this throttle. Before the removing, we are disconnecting the throttle from the vehicle. So we are disconnecting this throttle from the vehicle. For removing this throttle, we need Allen key, specific size Allen key. So like this we are removing this throttle. Clearly observe here. So I am removing this throttle. What is the problem in this throttle? I need to check. So for that one we need one star screwdriver. So now I am dismantling the throttle. Inside of the throttle we have one sensor and sensor connecting with these wires and switches. Observe clearly. So switches are fine, switches are working because we are already seen in that diagnostic kit, forward reverse is indicating clearly. So switches are fine. Then we need to check the continuity between these wires. We need to check the continuity. We need one multimeter. I need to check one by one the wires. We need to check continuity. First I am keeping this in pink wire and here keeping on pink wire. We are getting beep sound, so continuity is fine. Similarly, we need to check all the wires. So I was checked all the wires, but wires are fine, but this sensor is damaged. So that's why I need to change the sensor, or else I need to change the entire throttle. Sensors are not set for the throttle, so that's why I am going to replace the throttle. I need to purchase. I am going to order the same specification throttle from the Amazon. This is new throttle. I am going to replace with this throttle. This is the new one. So connect this new throttle and again I will troubleshoot the vehicle. So I am going to connecting this throttle. Please observe clearly. Okay, connection is over, and I fix this throttle by using Allen key. So I fixed this throttle. Again I will on the ignition and troubleshoot with the diagnostic kit. Going to turn on the ignition of the key. Turn on is over, and I am applying the throttle. Now I am giving acceleration, and we are getting green light there. Observe clearly. Now the vehicle in perfectly working condition. We are troubleshooting the problem as well as and rectifying the problem, and we are purchased new throttle and replaced with new throttle, and vehicle is working fine and now in good condition. So this video is useful for all the DIT trainers as well as master trainers. I am going to keep this video in our group. Anyone having this kind of problem, please watch this video and rectify the problem. Thank you one and all.